All over. Everything.
That's my favorite girl. Why is that bright?
Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. This is my husband, Kevin. Hi. Husband, I like to say it. We're newlyweds.
Hi.
Congratulations.
All over. Ha! My bed. No! Ow! You made me like punch myself in the nose.
I'm a fart on you.
Don't fart on me.
Here we go.
Don't fart on me. Just gonna fart on me. Help. Help.
I'm not with anybody.
What are you doing? Don't undo my bra. My nipples out.
Don't.
My nipples out. Don't give me a wedgie. I love this girl.
Right here.
It's going great. It's going great.
So hard to see the TV with this.
I just got some pins in my legs. Believe it or not, I can still do this. For a maybe fill up a cruise ship. Shit. Yeah, shit.
My toes are weird.
Took a hard, violent fall. Kind of pinball down.
No!
You want to see
No!
some?
Don't!
And then it don't come down.
So you and my boobs. Seriously, I'm gonna start flicking you every time you go for my boobs. Or biting you. One of the two.
Not with his mouth, but instead I'm assuming telepathically. We had a connection.
Don't poke me, you molester.
Joey,
What?
Shut my mouth. Look at
say something funny.
How about you lick my nuts? If I had some. Hang on. Shh. This is my part.
all right.
Her part.
He's single because I'm going to climb that like a tree.
That is her line.
I am gonna climb that like a tree later.
Helen.
Hello, Poppet. I'm like, oh, tangled up in the blanket. Ow! I'm dying.
I'm gonna gig on my cock later tonight.
Is married to Dougie Fox, Mr. Perry.
Yes, I know my boobs got bigger.
Boobies.
Booby.
I'm so glad you guys are finally meeting.
Bam!
He punched me. We have that on camera now.
And it can go on YouTube. That's the funniest thing.
What, you putting this on?
I have my own account. I might as well fucking put up some good videos.
Okay, can we make a new one? I look like poo.
That's okay. It's gonna be random fucking shiznit.
Don't take me to it on
I
Facebook.
can't. I don't put mine on Facebook.
Good.
Just on YouTube. No, my video would get flagged.
Yeah, it's probably gonna get flagged from you touching my boobie.
That's okay. You like it when I touch your boobie.
No.
Yes. She's afraid I'm gonna hit her again. Hi, Joey. The boogeyman's gonna get you.
And you two deserve each other.
I can see underneath it. Star, I can see her.
So sweet.
Being fucking.
Holy shit! Does it look like there's gonna be a handprint?
Oh, Chewy! Hey, my best friend.
Hi, Gene! Holy shit, major close-ups.
How you doing?
Holy shit. Hi, Jade. Jade!
I'm sorry, inside joke.
There's gonna be a mark.
You better not keep
Gonna be a
myself
mark.
on a leash because I still need my my drunken Saturday nights at Rocket Sushi, okay?
Joey, say bye, boy. Say bye, boy. Joey. Hey, Jade. 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 Speak. Speak. No, get her to speak. Get her to say goodbye.
No, my mom's sleeping.
Say bye-bye, Poopy. Bye-bye, Poopy.